The Pocket 3 is still one of the best camera that you can buy in the market. But we have a new contender, and it is the DJI Pocket 4 Pro. The question now is this one better? Definitely, the Pocket 4 Pro is better. But the question is your 15,000 upgrade worth it? What's up? Welcome to Vegetarian Techies. Today we have this DJI Pocket 4 Pro and we're going to unbox this first, and let me roll the video for you.
So I bought the vlog combo and now we are trying to open this, and we can see that it is quite nicely packed. So they provided a standard pouch, a small one and a big one. So this is the manual, and then let's open this one. Alright, so it's a bit different and compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And yeah, so they included the Mic Mini 2, and then they also included the handle, and they also included the fill light. This one is used for dark, and we also have the frame tap. Alright, we also have the charger for the Mic Mini 2, and of course the tripod, the mini tripod. And we also have both strap. And then this is the charger for the DJI itself, and of course the unit itself, DJI Pocket 4 Pro. Alright, there's two lenses here, 3 times and 1 times, and of course this is the screen. So it's similar to DJI Pocket 3. And this is the small pouch, and the large pouch, it's still the same. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, set it up. Yeah, this is the menu and the shooting mode. Alright, it's a bit similar.
Let me just show you what's included in the package. By the way, I bought the vlog combo. So here in Singapore, I bought it for around 799 Singapore dollar. So in Philippine peso, that would be around 37,500. So in Philippine market, I'm not quite sure. I haven't checked the official price yet, but it should be around the same price. So let me show you what's included in the package. So of course, we have this DJI Pocket 4 Pro. And mind you, this one is a third-party case. So I actually bought this for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one is a magnetic one, so you can just mount it on any metal wall. The fill light, so if it's dark, then we can use this to illuminate ourselves. And DJI Mic Mini 2, and it comes with a clip-on mount, and of course the magnetic one. Then one thing that I like about this DJI Pocket 4 Pro is the frame tap. It supports the frame tap. So what is this? This one allows you to remote control your DJI Pocket 4 Pro, and if you are doing any cinematic shot, so you could use this one. We shouldn't forget the tripod, and I think it's a standard one. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 also have this one, and of course this one, the handle one. By the way, they also included the DJI mic. I think this one is the magnetic plate, so this one is a colored one, so you can buy different color for this one. And of course the USB Type-C chargers. So this is the charger for your Mic Mini 2, and of course the charger for the USB cable, or the charger for the frame tap. They included a pouch like this, and I think this one is nice, but it's a bit small. And of course the larger one. One thing that they didn't include is the handle, battery handle. So in DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and Pocket 3, I think they are including this one. And this one is from my Osmo Pocket 3, but it is compatible with 4 Pro. Alright, so that's all for our unboxing for all of our components. Let's test it out and see which one is better.
So you can see these videos, so comparing them side by side, some of it is a bit the same, Some of them are a bit same, so except for this one, it seems the Pocket 3 is darker compared to the Pocket 4 Pro. And now you can check it's a bit the same. Somehow it's the same, or I'm not just sure. This one on the Pocket 3, it's a bit more pixelated. And now this one is also looking the same. Now when I check myself here, I think the Pocket 4 Pro gives a more better warm skin tone. I think the grass on the Pocket 3 is a bit blurred, a bit pixelated compared to the Pocket 4 Pro. Yeah, let me know if you think otherwise. And for this one, I would say the Pocket 4 Pro, the grass, if you look at the grass in the Pocket 4 Pro, the detail is there, but in Pocket 3, there's still detail, but a bit blurred or pixelated, I would say. And here, you can see that the Med Tele and the 2x is similar, except for the detail again. Here, you can see that Pocket 4 Pro, even if it's in the 6x zoom, you can see that it's better than the Pocket 3 with the Med Tele and 2x zoom. So in the Med Tele and 2x zoom for the Pocket 3, it's now pixelated, and you cannot see the detail too much for the candle compared to the Pocket 4 Pro 6x zoom. And you can see the leaves. In Pocket 4 Pro, it's better. This is when there's still no sun. Somehow my face looks a bit brighter in Pocket 4 Pro. This one doesn't have any glamour effects, so there's still no sun during this time, but the lights is a bit flickering. When you look at the flower, I think it's almost the same. But in Pocket 4 Pro, the 3x zoom is really good. This one is macro level. It looks like a macro shot. And here, I think the Pocket 3 is better here. But maybe it's just my angle. Yeah, here now you can see that I think the Pocket 4 Pro wins in this one. Detail in the flower is quite nice in Pocket 4 Pro. For near shots, I think it's almost the same. If you can see the tree, the detail in the tree is better in the Pocket 4 Pro. Your face really looks better in Pocket 4 Pro. Definitely the Pocket 4 Pro wins on this one because of the 240 frames per second.
Let's talk about conclusion, guys. So the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is priced at around 20,000 peso in the Philippine market. But you can buy this cheaper if you buy it secondhand. On the other hand, Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is around 37,000 pesos. So personally, for me, I would prefer buying this one, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. Why? Because I like the active tracking while zooming in compared to the Osmo Pocket 3. In the Med Tele zoom, it's the telephoto zoom, this one. So the telephoto zoom of the Osmo Pocket 3 is only 2x, and you cannot use the active tracking during that time. So that one is a plus point here. And aside from that, I like the 3x zoom, the telephoto zoom of this one. And you can use it for some of my content, so for my B-rolls. Compared to the Pocket 3, I'm usually using my cell phone to capture B-rolls. So it's again a plus point for the Pocket 4 Pro. And another thing that I like about the Pocket 4 Pro is this one, the fill light. So during nighttime, it would allow you to capture your video better. By the way, you can control the lights here. So what about you guys? Let's talk about your preference. So if you will be shooting in wide angle lens and probably just talking head, then this one is probably for you, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And you can save a lot of money if you buy this one and you buy it secondhand. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much again for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.